Insurance companies. Shares of these firms are appreciating rapidly, while the corporations are also increasing their dividends and buying back their own stock. In addition to that, this industry has one of the stock market's lowest price-to-earnings ratio. Investors in dividend growth should view this as favorable news. They take in a premium, and it is common knowledge that they take in a significantly higher premium than their payout, which means that they end up with a huge surplus of cash. Are you aware that insurance firms also make investments in the stock market? Indeed, they most certainly do. Some people put their money into mortgage, while others put their money into preferred stocks, contract loans, security lending, real estate, and government bonds. They just have a large amount of cash on hand. Your investment portfolio may use a boost from any one of these insurance stocks. In order for the stock to be included in today's list, first, the dividend, no matter how modest, is a requirement. Second, the payout ratio can be higher than 50% of total revenue. Third, there must have been an increase in the dividend for at least 1 year. Welcome to Smart Stock Academy, where you'll discover videos about businesses and insights from your prominent CEOs. Thank you for joining us for today's video, and let's explore topics that will awaken your curiosity when it comes to stocks and investments. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell to assure you that you'll be updated whenever we upload videos. Now let's get into the video. Let's start with UNUM Group with its CEO, Mr. Rick McKenney. UNUM Group was formerly known as UNUM Provident. It is a Fortune 500 insurance corporation with its headquarters in Chattanooga, Tennessee. The merger that took place in 1999 between UNUM Corporation and the Provident companies resulted in the formation of UNUM Group, which is comprised of 4 separate companies: UNUM US, UNUM UK, UNUM Poland, and Colonial Life. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $36.58, a market cap of $7.36 billion, and a dividend yield of 3.28%. This company has been growing its dividend for 13 years and has a payout ratio of 8.09%, which means its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth and its payout to the shareholders every year in the months of February, May, August, and November. The next one is Sun Life Financial Incorporated with its CEO, Mr. Dean Connor. It is primarily recognized as a provider of life insurance. Sun Life Financial Incorporated is a Canadian corporation that operates in the financial services industry. It has a presence in investment management with more than 1.3 trillion Canadian dollars worth of assets under administration, and they operate in a number of different nations. Based on its data at the time of the video, it has a share price of 63.38 Canadian dollars, a market cap of 37 billion Canadian dollars, and a dividend yield of 4.35%. This company has been growing its dividend for 6 years and has a payout ratio of 9.79%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is MANULIFE Financial Corporation with its CEO, Mr. Roy Gori. The MANULIFE Financial Corporation is a multinational insurance and financial services provider based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. In Canada and Asia, the business goes by the name MANULIFE, but in the United States, the company largely conducts its operations through its John Hancock Financial Division. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of 23.16 Canadian dollars, a market cap of 44.40 billion Canadian dollars, and a dividend yield of 5.70%. This company has been growing its dividend for 7 years and has a payout ratio of 4.97%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is the Old Republic International Corporation with its CEO, Mr. Craig R. Smitty. The Old Republic International Corporation is a title and deed corporation as well as a provider of property insurance in the United States. The city of Chicago and the state of Illinois is the location of the company's headquarters. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $23.70, a market cap of $7.31 billion, and a dividend yield of 3.88%. This company has been growing its dividend for 30 years and has a payout ratio of 5.40%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is Globe Life Incorporated with its CEO Mr. Gary Coleman. Globe Life Incorporated is a holding company that provides individual life and supplemental health insurance products and services. The firm's primary focus is on the provision of these insurance products and services. It is headquartered by McKinney, Texas. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $98.10, a market cap of $9.673 billion, and a dividend yield of 0.83%. This company has been growing its dividend for 8 years and has a payout ratio of 13.69%, and its dividend has potential growth. It pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of February, May, August, and November. The next one is Assurant Incorporated with its CEO Mr. Keith Demings. New York City serves as the location for the headquarters of Assurant Incorporated. It is a multinational corporation that offers a variety of products and services related to risk management. Its businesses offer a varied selection of specialized insurance products targeted toward niche markets in the property and casualty, extended device protection, and pre-need insurance fields. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $181.41, a market cap of $9.81 billion, and a dividend yield of 1.50%. This company has been growing its dividend for 17 years and has a payout ratio of 7.93%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is the Travelers Company with its CEO Mr. Alan D. Schnitzer. The Travelers Company Incorporated, more usually referred to simply as Travelers, is a multinational corporation headquartered in the United States. It is a 6th largest writer of personal insurance in the United States that is sold by independent agents, and the 2nd largest writer of a commercial property and liability insurance in the United States. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $177.83, a market cap of $42.67 billion, and a dividend yield of 2.09%. This company has been growing its dividend for 16 years and has a payout ratio of 11.24%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is CHUBB Limited with its CEO Mr. Evan Greenberg. CHUBB Limited is the parent company of CHUBB, a global provider of insurance products covering property and casualty, accident and health, reinsurance, and life insurance. CHUBB is the largest publicly traded property and casualty company in the world. CHUBB Limited is an American company that was incorporated in Zurich, Switzerland. Based on its data in the time of this video, it has a share price of $210.89, a market cap of $89.36 billion, and a dividend yield of 1.57%. This company has been growing its dividend for 1 year and has a payout ratio of 11.23%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is MetLife Incorporated with its CEO Mr. Michael Khalaf. MetLife Incorporated is the holding company for the Metropolitan Life Insurance Company, which is more commonly referred to as MetLife, as well as its affiliates. MetLife is one of the major global providers of insurance, annuities, and employee benefit programs. With 90 million customers spread over more than 60 countries, MetLife is among the largest global suppliers in its industry. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $67.72, a market cap of $55.07 billion, and a dividend yield of 2.95%. This company has been growing its dividend for 9 years and has a payout ratio of 8.78%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is Cincinnati Financial Corporation with its CEO, Mr. Stephen Johnston. The Cincinnati Insurance Company, the Cincinnati Indemnity Company, and the Cincinnati Casualty Company are the three companies that Cincinnati Financial Corporation uses to do the majority of its business in the field of property and casualty insurance. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $128.42 and a market cap of $20.59 billion, a dividend yield of 2.15%. This company has been growing its dividend for 61 years and has a payout ratio of 10.19%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of January, April, July, and October. The next one is the ALLSTATE Corporation with its CEO, Mr. Thomas Wilson. Since 1967, the headquarters of the American Insurance Corporation, known as the ALLSTATE Corporation, has been located in Northfield Township, Illinois, close to Northbrook. It began in 1931 as a department of Sears, Roebuck & Co., but 1993 it was separated into its own company. Additionally, the corporation offers personal lines of insurance in the Canadian market. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $136.89, a market cap of $37.64 billion, and a dividend yield of 2.48%. This company has been growing its dividend for 11 years and has a payout ratio of 11.54%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of January, April, July, and October. The next one is Lincoln National Corporation with its CEO, Mr. Dennis Glass. The Lincoln National Incorporation is an American holding company that is ranked among the top 200 of the Fortune 500 and runs a variety of insurance and investment management businesses through its subsidiary companies. LNC and all of its affiliated businesses advertise themselves under the brand name Lincoln Financial Group. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $58.32, a market cap of $10.03 billion, and a dividend yield of 3.09%. This company has been growing its dividend for 11 years and has a payout ratio of 8.17%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of February, May, August, and November. The next one is Principal Financial Group Incorporated with its CEO, Mr. Daniel Joseph Houston. Principal Financial Group is a multinational financial investment management and insurance organization with its headquarters in Des Moines, Iowa in the United States of America. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $72.94, a market cap of $18.43 billion, and a dividend yield of 3.51%. This company has been growing its dividend for 8 years and has a payout ratio of 12.53%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. The next one is AFLAC Incorporated with its CEO, Mr. Dan Amos. AFLAC Incorporated, based in the United States, is the largest supplemental insurance provider in the country and an American insurance firm known as AFLAC. The current location of the company's headquarters, which was established in 1955, is in Columbus, Georgia. This is another essential component of the portfolios of most value dividend investors. It has a distinguished record and dividend payments, and they have lately announced a 21% increase in annual payouts. This gigantic insurance company insures 1 out of every 4 households in Japan, giving them a mind-bogglingly large footprint in that country. The additional life insurance offered to employees through their place of employment is their most profitable offering. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $60.41, a market cap of $38.91 billion, and a dividend yield of 2.65%. This company has been growing its dividend for 39 years and has a payout ratio of 9.91%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. Last but definitely not the least, Prudential Financial Incorporated with its CEO Mr. Charles Lowry. Prudential Financial Incorporated is a Fortune Global 500 and Fortune 500 company based in the United States. The company's subsidiaries offer insurance, retirement planning, investment management, and a variety of other products and services to retail and institutional customers not only in the United States but also in over 40 other countries. Based on its data at the time of this video, it has a share price of $106.27 a market cap of $39.85 billion and a dividend yield of 4.52%. This company has been growing its dividend for 7 years and has a payout ratio of 8.62%, and its dividend has potential growth. Shareholders have also enjoyed stock growth, and it pays out to the shareholders every year in the months of March, June, September, and December. Keep in mind that we are only providing you with a list and not the in-depth research that you need to conduct before investing your money. Also, the historical performance of these stocks does not promise or indicate that they will continue to perform in a similar manner in the future. Please take this into consideration and perform your own research before investing. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think and leave it in the comment section so we'll know what your insights are. Again, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updated videos about the business world.